What is up out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today we're going to do my first impressions and unboxing of the brand new Sony camera ZV-1, along with the Vlogger kit that I picked up from my local camera store. Shout out to Camera Exchange located here in San Antonio, Texas. They are awesome. They were able to have the camera and the Vlogger kit in stock, where a lot of others have had it sold out for a few days now, and I was finally able to pick up my own copy. Roll that intro. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon. I greatly appreciate your support. It helps keep the lights on and it helps crank out amazing videos such as this one. Now, a while back, I made my impressions and overall thoughts on the Sony ZV-1 compared to the Sony RX100 Mark V, which you can see here or here, depending on where I put it. And in that video, I was making the determination of whether or not I would be purchasing the ZV-1 or keeping the RX100 Mark V. After my daughter made a pretty convincing argument that she wanted the RX100 Mark V, I went ahead and purchased this bad boy right here. So we're gonna roll some awesome B-roll footage of me unboxing this. Let's go. Alrighty, so that's the unboxing of the brand new Sony ZV-1 camera that's really touted and meant for vloggers. However, from all the images that I've seen, it could still take some amazing photos. This video was not meant to serve as a review, just overall first impression. And overall, one of the biggest takeaways that I enjoy over this camera than the RX100 Mark V that I've been filming with, and it's not necessarily the camera, it's this grip. This grip is substantially bigger and it feels better in the hands for me personally. Now, I don't have necessarily large hands, but the other one for the RX100 Mark V was a little smaller versus this one. As a matter of fact, let me go grab that. So comparing this to the grip for the Sony ZV-1, let me go ahead and take the camera off. Sony ZV-1, RX100 Mark V. This works off of Bluetooth. This has the USB dongle that you have to attach to the camera. ZV-1, RX100 Mark V. So that's something to think about as well if you're going to be planning on purchasing the ZV-1. Consider getting the grip. I haven't tried out if this one will work. I'm assuming it might because it is a USB, which this camera particularly has. But I'll let you guys know in my full review if this will work with the ZV-1. But this is currently right now on a deal. I believe it's $149, but right now if you buy it with a package purchase, which I did from Camera Exchange, I got the camera and the kit for $800. Now, another immediate notice on this camera is that the body is entirely plastic versus the RX100 Mark V. It's more of a premium build, more metal, aluminum, and so forth, with very little plastic. This, if I'm not mistaken, other than the lens ring, is entirely made out of plastic, which is able to knock down the price, which is why they're able to pack a lot of features for a lesser price. They get rid of the EVF viewfinder, which I personally never utilized the viewfinder on the RX100 Mark V. It's a little small for me, and I just felt awkward doing this with a little bitty smaller than a penny or a dime EVF on here. But again, some people really enjoyed it. I never really used it, so it really wasn't an issue for me when I was looking at the differences of this. But those are my overall just first impressions of the camera. I will let you know exactly how I feel in my follow-up review. So again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, make sure you're subscribed, and punch that bell icon. Thanks for stopping on by, everybody. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.